Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Wix Studio to prototype interactive product pages. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Wix Studio website. Log into your Wix account or create a new one if necessary. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Wix Studio dashboard. Click on the Create New Site button to start a new project. Select a template that fits your product page concept. Once the template loads, familiarize yourself with the design tools on the left sidebar. Begin by adding your product images. Drag and drop the image elements onto your page where you want them to appear. Upload the images from your device or use images from the Wix Media Library. After adding images, adjust their size and position for optimal viewing. Next, add text elements to describe your products. Click on the text tool and drag a text box onto your page. Enter your product names, descriptions, and any other relevant information. Customize the font, size, and color to match your brand's aesthetic. Now, let's make your product page interactive. Add buttons for actions like Buy Now or Learn More. Drag a button element from the left sidebar and place it below your product information. Edit the button text to reflect the desired action. Link the button to the specific product page or checkout process. Next, consider adding a gallery feature for displaying multiple product images. Drag the gallery element onto the page and upload your product photos. Set the gallery to slide or display thumbnails, depending on your preference. To enhance interaction, incorporate hover effects on your images and buttons. Select an element and navigate to the hover settings in the Options panel. Choose an animation effect that makes the interaction feel more engaging. Once your layout is complete, preview your design. Click the Preview button at the top right corner of the editor. Check that all interactive elements work as intended. If you need to make adjustments, return to the editor mode. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.